Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce traffic violation penalties with Ticket Clinic, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, identify the specific traffic violation you've received. Understand the details of your ticket, including the date, location, and nature of the offense. Next, gather any relevant evidence that supports your case. This may include photos, witness statements, or dashcam footage. Visit the Ticket Clinic website to access their services. Create an account if you don't have one already. Fill out the online form detailing your traffic violation and any evidence you have collected. Submit your ticket information for review by their legal team. Wait for Ticket Clinic to assess your case and provide feedback. Discuss your options with an experienced attorney from the Ticket Clinic. They will explain potential strategies for reducing your penalties. If you choose to proceed, the attorney will represent you at the court hearing. Remain available for any further information or clarification your attorney may need. After your case is reviewed, you will receive an update on the outcome. Be prepared to discuss any additional steps to ensure a favorable result. Finally, follow any instructions provided by your attorney to complete the process. By using Ticket Clinic, you give yourself a better chance at minimizing the penalties associated with your traffic violation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.